Okay guys, we are at not Value Village, Salvation Army, because they're having their where's the sign? I think there's a sign right there. 50% off fashion accessories, 60% off of books, and then I think it's 40% off of activewear. So that's kind of cool. Activewear includes Lululemon hoodies and hoodies in general. So we are here at the McPhillips location. I had Wendy's last night, guys. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, the guy in the drive-thru was freaking hot. Freaking hot. Hot shit. He was. He was like Middle Eastern. All I could think about was fornication. But now, all we can think about is thrifting. I have to be careful what I pick up just because it's a sale. During a dollar sale, I picked up a bunch of stuff that would never fit or I shouldn't have got. Regardless, we're here. There's a lot of people already parking. Parked people. Lots of parked people waiting to get in. It's not as big as a dollar sale, but I'll take 40% off of a Lulu hoodie. People lining up already, but it's okay. I can muscle my way through them. Ready to rumble. Got one more minute till they open. I wonder what people are going to go after. I'm guessing they want to go after jeans and activewear. Yeah. Just had my McDonald's. I had a sausage and egg McMuffin and a hash brown. Now we're at Salvation Army number 2. We're going to 3 today, I think. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Salvation Army number 2. Let's go. I think we're gonna look at that bag. It's kind of small, but it's only 20 bucks. So minus 40%. First we'll look at this one too. I just want to show you guys this Lulu hoodie. It's a size 6, so it's small, but I love like the sparkle in it. You can look at that. There's sparkle everywhere. I don't know if it's reflecting. Oh, there you go. You can see it right there. It's like all over the hoodie. It's in great condition. Size tag is coming off, kind of, but 30 bucks. And this is missing. Super cute. It's a cute Danny, but it's in such rough condition with all the pen marks and those marks and those marks. I don't even know if you can get rid of that. But it's cute. It's very like fossil-ish. Hey guys, Salvation Army number 3 for their 40, 60, 50% off sale. Hopefully they still have that fossil bag here. I would get it for 40% off. I'm gonna guess it is. If it's here, I'm gonna be famous on YouTube and be multi-million-dollar rich. Let's see. So they had a Gucci watch in the auction and it's marked Gucci on the back, so I bid $28.50. I'm not 100% sure if it's authentic, but I'll risk it for $28.50. Even if it was a replica, it looks vintage and it can probably sell for at least $50 to $60. Horrible fake for $30. Sluggish for $30. Sweet blues for $30. Fake mulberry. Doesn't even feel like leather. $10 for that. $10 for fake MK. It's $15. Too much. And it's like faded. Kind of. Not really, but I don't really like the color that much. Then we have this pink hoodie. Where is it? There. It was cheaper. $8.50, but really faded. And then they have this Lululemon. I'm not sure what size it is. It's 15 bucks. Usually I would pick those up because I'm obsessed with Lulu in pink, but I think we're going to pass on those two things. But I don't know what size it is. I'm thinking it's like a 10. It looks a little bit smaller than a 12. But super cute. Haan jacket. It looks pretty cute. And then this guest jacket also looks pretty cute. I love this color on my skin tone. I might get this because it's a large. It doesn't fit now, but it'll fit eventually. Oh wait, is there fading? No. And they're both down-filled. Hey everyone, Miss Philly here. Today is Value Village Salvation Army's 40, 50, 60% off sale. It's basically 40% off long sleeve casual tops, jeans, and activewear, 50% off fashion accessories, including bags, 60% off books, toys, and media. It's today and tomorrow. So you might want to check it out. I'm not sure if it's that way in the United States, but I think in my city it is. So boo frickin' who for you. Show you everything that we got. But first we went to Value Village here in Unicity and I picked up two things. Nothing on sale, no coupons used, paid full price. But I thought I got a good deal regardless. The first thing I got was this Okay, I wanted to get that jacket, that guest jacket, but that was yellow. And another Haan that was like a long parka. But I decided to pass on it because those are kind of pricey items to be spending on something that doesn't fit right now. I want to really spend money on things that don't fit, that I love right now, that will eventually fit, that aren't expensive, basically. So I purchased this Haan wool jacket. It's a wool cashmere blend. It's beautiful. It was only $10. It's a size 8, but even if I get down to a size 10, I think this would fit me and I could just wear it open. But I just think it's super classy. It is Haan and it is wool cashmere blend. So for 10 bucks, you can't go wrong with that. It's just a button-up kind of jacket. It's perfect for fall and winter and it screams, I'm a classy bitch. Next thing we purchased is another Lululemon scarf. This one was $25, no discounts, but I do like the color of it and I do like that it's reversible. It can be this kind of color or it can be that kind of color and it's super, ew, there's a stain on it, but I can probably get that out. Ew. It's super duper cute. I don't know how to wear this bitch. I do not know how to wear it, but it's like one of those snap kind of scarves. If I don't get that stain out, I'm going to return it because me no like you a stainless scarfy. I mean, that's definitely a stain that came from someone's mouth or their nose if it's a scarf. So no bueno to that. Yeah, or it could be makeup. I mean, it's dark, but it could also be snot. Who knows? Or I think it might be makeup because there's like some makeup marks there. I don't know. We'll try and launder that out. If not, back to the bitch you go. So everything else we purchased was from Salvation Army, McPhillips, Empress, and Portage. So this is the only thing that we picked up from the Value Village. I'm so obsessed with Value Village. I keep saying Value Village. Salvation Army. I didn't know this was this pricey. It was $13, but I got 50% off, so it ended up being like 7 something. But it's this Adidas hoodie. I love the color, yellow and pink together, and it's in great condition. So for $7, it's not that bad. I'm gonna give this to my sister, or I don't know if she'll like the color. She doesn't like pink, but if she doesn't want it, I'll keep it for myself because I think it's super duper cuteness galore. These items, where did we pick these up? We picked these up at Empress, I think, the Empress Salvation Army. We picked up this Victoria's Secret. This was only $4 minus 40%. Super cute. It says Victoria's Secret Angel, Je t'aime, love. It's a small, but look at how big that is. That's not a small. I don't know how Victoria's Secret sizes are shit. Maybe it's meant to be like loose, really loose fitting, but this will fit a medium and a large. I'm not even kidding. But it's so super cute. So to pay like less than $2 for this, hella deal, hella deal. And there's no taxes on these either. I picked up this Harley Davidson zip up. This one was $13, so $7 for this one. Harley does good for me. I know Thrifter Lifter or Lexi Lux. She changed her name. I know her as Thrifter Lifter on Instagram. She loves Harley Davidson too. And I don't know. I feel like when I'm a skinny hot bitch and I wear Harley Davidson, I will attract me those manly, burly motorcycle men. You know, the scruff, the manly men who likes to work on decks while I work on their deck. No, but really, seriously, like those, you know, bandana wearing, motorcycle driving, leather jacket wearing, kind of burly, tall, manly men. None of that prissy shit. Even though I do love the Metro men too. I love all men, okay? All men are created equal and all men, Miss Philly, will do. This is either to resell or to keep for myself. I don't mind to resell or to keep because it benefits me both. Money, hotness, it goes hand in hand. Last thing we got was this, well, not last thing, but we also got this Lululemon top. I love this color on me, this green. It's a size 12, which is a plus. It's kind of like a tank. And this was like $7 as well. Super cute, super basic, super Lulu. And we also got this Coach bag from there. This was 50% off. So this was $10, not bad. There's like pen marks on the handle. Like, who the hell gets pen marks on a handle? I don't even know how that happens. We're gonna try and get that off, but if we don't, I guess we don't. But it's just a cute little tote bag. It's like a nylon / leather. It's just really cute. And, you know, and it has a hang tag, which is cute. And it has the front pocket, which is cute. And it has that lining inside. Did I mention it was cute? It's cute! We're gonna try and get $25 to $30 for this. And this Danier bag, I was kind of over the fence on, but the fact that it was only like $7.50. The inside has a little bit of pilling on the material, but I mean, I'll try and clean it up as much as possible. And it is 100% leather, so. And usually Danier does well for me, so we'll try and clean that up. But I thought it was cute. It's a cute style, like Alma style, and it has an exterior pockets, and it has a crossbody strap and a top handle, so it's like a win-win. Even if I get $20 for that, like hello. And then and this was like, I love this. This is brand new with tags. We picked up a full Juicy Couture size large outfit, made in the USA, so it's like vintage, and brand new with tags. This was only $5, brand new with tags. Retail was $110 US. Made in the glamorous US of A. Anyway, it's just a plain purple velour outfit, size large, has a double on the back. And then it's not the hoodie type, it's just like a jacket type with a collar. But regardless, hello, $6 for a Juicy Couture brand new with tags hoodie. Hello. Okay, hello. Cuteness personified. I can see myself working out in this. Yeah, I can. Oh, yes, I can. But if anybody's interested in buying, let me know. Okay, there's a little snags, but it's nothing huge. Like, there's a snag right there. I guess that is kind of huge, but it's not like a hole or anything, and it is velour. But for $6, it's not a big deal. Not a big deal. There's no rip stains or tears. I mean, I can deal with a snag. 2 snags. And it's purple, so it's not that noticeable. It just looks crinkled. So, super cute. Size large, which is a desirable size. Oh! I like this purple. It's kind of royal. It's not like that Barney shit. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's all that we got today. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it for you. Now I gotta list, sell. I actually have someone buying that Tory Burch at my house now. And yeah. Thank you for coming with me. Coming with me. Coming with me. Come. We love come. What's that guy like? What the hell? Come. So I'd say it was a very successful trip. Anyway, guys, don't forget to remain productive, positive, and progressive, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye. Comment and like this video if you liked it. Or else I'm going to stop doing daily vlogs, so you better.